I'll now go over how to use the quick add sections and the alternate sections that are found in the Rejuve styling guide. So if you wanted to use any of these quick add sections in other pages that you really like them and you want to use them again, or if you have you want to use some of the alternate styles that are available in the styling guide, I'll show you how to use those now. So on any page, doesn't have to be a blank page, say you're on your home page and you wanted to add something from the quick add section, or you were on your contact page and you wanted to add something, what you would do is you would click anywhere on the page that you want to add it. To add a new section, you would find one of these blue plus buttons to add the new section where you want to on the page that you want to add it, and click Add New Section. Click Add from Library, and depending on what you're looking for, you can filter the categories here. So if you're looking for quick add modules, you just click there. And if you need to reference the style guide to know what's available or what it looks like, just click over to the styling guide on the Rejuve page demo site, and then you can just look over those there, or you can look in your own Divi library to see what's there on the styling guide. So once you've selected the one that you want, say services box that's found on the home page. So if you wanted to adjust, or if you want to change this, or if you want to add to it on any page, what you would do is just add that from the library, and then you would just edit the preset here. Edit preset style, just like we did on the home page. And if you do change this here in the preset box, it will change it on the home page. So if you want this to look different, I would do this instead. I would make the changes on one of them, click the gear icon box, and you'll make your changes to the styling as needed. And then once you make your changes, I would click on this preset area here, and I would create a new preset from the current styles. And then I would just go through each one. So let's see. Let's say I change the color. Say I change the colors. Okay, now I want to make a new preset from that. I would just create a new preset, name the preset, and then I would save, and then save again. And once that's saved, I would just go into each one and find it from the drop down with the new one, and it would automatically apply those changes here. So if I had a different preset, it would look like that. So once you've made the changes and you've made all the information, again, you can just go back into add a new section, add from library. You can add FAQs. You can add a bottom of the page call to action. You can add any of those that are available in the styling guide. Now to add alternate sections, same thing, click add new section, add from library, click on the categories, click on alternate sections, and there's two options you could add. Different services boxes, these are available for the home page. So if you wanted to, instead of have this look on the home page, instead you could have this alternate services box on your home page. And then you would just make adjustments. This is a services blurb. It is a preset, so you would want to click in these three white dots and then edit the preset style and make adjustments just like that. Same way that we do with any other preset. So once you've done that and you've added your quick add sections, that's how you use it. And you just make sure to click that save button.